Here we're going again. The third recording. I'm going to upload. Bruh, what the fuck? Our teammate just left. Why? Oh, I need to change my car team. Sorry. Pie stick. Nice name, Bucker. I don't touch that. Teammate, appreciate that. What is he doing? Oh yeah, now I know why every time I play drop shot, my teammate's really bad. Oh, fuck's sake. That including me. Because the first time I got my placement matches for drop shot, I actually got fucking bronze. I don't know how. Since when can bronze as aerial, man? This game is really fucked. But wow, okay, we're bumping. You guys, I could just go out and demo you all. People these days think bumping is like the best mechanic, and my teammate just fucked me up. Nice one, bro. Surely he realizes that being bronze doesn't mean he's the best player in the game. What the fuck is he doing? Okay, now I keep getting bonked, bro. Really? Just no. Nice, dude. You're going to be the reason we lose. You literally just fucking everything up. You just earn gold. Nice. He still earned gold. He passed it right to them. And you watch. Oh, I mean, he's only an epic player, but if he was a PS4 player, he would have said, "Oh, teammate, you're so trash," when he just fucking gave it to them. My god. Is bronze really this pathetic? What do you mean defending? You can't defend in this game. I mean, you can, but there's no goal to defend. You cannot defend the entire fucking half of the map. You know, reset? Okay. Dude, he did not touch that, man. Teammate, why? You are going to make it. Not pass to them. Nice. Teammates, why are the bad ones always on my team? Oh, for fuck's sake, dude, this is really annoying. Why? Oh, he's bumping me. For fuck's sake, dude. Defending. Are you? It just fucking gives it to him. This is really pathetic. I cannot believe that bronze just got this bad. When I was bronze, I was fucking probably maybe as good as a plat. I was starting to Andrew Lynn bronze. I know you guys may find that hard to believe because I mean here's bronze and starts Andrew Point. Well, I have one answer for you. Me. Wait, what? They all missed that. Why, teammate? Honestly, dude. We haven't even scored a might in my ways we have. What? What the fuck? Okay. I mean, I intended to fake them, and it worked. Look, ready? Fake. Triple fake, that was sick. I mean, I kind of think it didn't even look like I faked them, it just looked like they simply missed. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? What is my turning sensitivity at? Oh. It's fine, what? Wait, what the fuck did my teammate just do? Did he just air roll? That's it. That's cap, he did not just enter right. Oh fuck. The ball loves you. What the fuck? Since when do bronzes aerial? Since when? Never! I'm a different story. That and there's quite a few other people who would have also been bronze on my over to aerial, and this guy probably just gave my team a hit. He did, yes. Regen boost. Dude, what the fuck? Since when? This is not bronze. What rank is this? Oh, for fuck's sake, the bumping though. The bumping seems like bronze. No one bumps like this, except for in bronze. Like, they try and hit your car and they accidentally hit the ball. It's like, oh, whoops. Wait. Got the goal here. Teammate bumps me. Nice. Thank you for fucking the match. We cannot be. There's really no way we can score now. Teammate, see, yeah, I could have done something with that, but no. He just had to fuck. Wait, hold on. Maybe. No way. Really? Game? Why? Oh my god, kid. You actually just demoed me. That is pathetic. That is pathetic, man. This game is pathetic, man. The fucking people who play. Oh my god. Just no. That did not happen. Only it did. And that is why I do not play normal matches. Every single match that you guys have seen me play is why. I'm either trash or my teammate is. I reckon I probably will do this sort of thing more often. Tournaments. You mean the thing that I play and I get dogged by teammates every game? If you call that a tournament. See, I had this unlocked because I think I got second in a diamond tournament once this season. It's actually the first tournament match I played. Well, I've never been above diamond. Anyways, that's it for tonight, guys. Hope you guys are all well. I mean, probably not with all the shit's going on. Fucking COVID, Omicron, all that shit, but, I hope you guys are alright. And, I don't know. See you, I guess. Very awkward.